Hello and welcome back to The Witch Path. I am Danny Lynn, and if you're new here, merry meet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repurpose all of those food jars from your fridge and turn them into this. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to need some jars. Now, I've used salsa jars, olive jars, pickle jars, Alfredo jars, anything that I think is good and sturdy. You're going to want to completely wash it clean, let it dry thoroughly before you put any herbs in it. Take off all of the labels, and sometimes you're going to be left with this sticky adhesive, but if you use some Goo Off or Goo Gone in a paper towel, it should come right off. You also want to let them breathe for a while, especially if it's something very potent like pickles or spaghetti sauce. Give them a few days. Next, you're going to need your herbs. I've got some Aphrodite incense I made, rose petals, and some St. John's wort. I also have a cheapy paintbrush, and you're going to want a tube of paint in whatever color or colors that you're going to want to paint your lids. Get a paint pen or a chalk marker. You're going to also want to get some adhesive. So I've got some E600 here and some Gorilla Glue. I usually just use the Gorilla Glue. You also want to get some labels. These ones are chalkboard labels. And then as a bonus, you can pick out some of these like decorative cutouts for the tops of your lids. To begin, take your lid, put a little bit of paint on there, and start painting. You might need 1 to 2 coats depending on the color you choose and what color your lid is originally. Just let them dry between layers. And then set it aside to dry completely. After that's done, you can go on to putting on your label. So take and choose whichever style appeals to you. Shake up your paint pen and then write out whatever's going to be in your jar. Next, gently take that label off of the sticker sheet and then put it onto your jar. Wherever you want to put it is totally up to you. And then you can put on one of these die cuts. You don't have to, it's just a little bonus thing I do on some of my jars. I haven't done it to all of them. Just adhere it with something that's gonna stick really well. I used the Gorilla Glue. And then put in your herbs. Put your lid back on. And now you've got a beautiful glass container for your apothecary, for your herbs, for your herb cabinet, your witchy cabinet. Well, witches, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to repurpose those old glass jars from your fridge. And if you like this kind of content and you're ready for more, go ahead and hit that subscribe to be added to the witchy tribe. Ring that sassy bell so you never miss a video. And coming up in the following days, we're going to do a video on how to dress and prepare a candle for Yule. And as always, take care, much love, blessed be.